Hello, I'm Isabel with High Tech Design Safety, here with a presentation for you on the NRTL Initial Factory Inspection. You are looking for certification support, and we at High Tech Design Safety specialize in certifying industrial machinery and semiconductor process equipment with more than 1,400 successful projects to our credit. Our process is designed to provide support and certification guidance throughout every stage of the project, helping manufacturers simplify the path to market. Obtaining an NRTL listing is a major achievement, but it's only the beginning of the compliance journey. Many manufacturers focus heavily on the certification process itself, only to realize later that maintaining that certification requires an entirely different level of preparation. One of the first major milestones after certification is the initial factory inspection. In this video, we'll explain what an NRTL initial factory inspection is, what inspectors are looking for, and how manufacturers can prepare to make the process as smooth as possible. An initial factory inspection verifies that your manufacturing process consistently produces products that match the design originally evaluated during certification. The inspection isn't just about looking at finished equipment. Inspectors want to understand how your company controls engineering changes, manages documentation, verifies incoming materials, tests finished products, and maintains quality throughout production. Ultimately, the goal is to ensure that every certified product leaving your facility continues to meet the same safety requirements as the original evaluated design. One of the biggest areas inspectors evaluate is your quality system. This doesn't necessarily mean your company needs to be ISO 9001 certified, but it does mean you should have documented processes that govern how products are designed, built, tested, and maintained. A strong quality system creates consistency. When everyone follows the same documented procedures, the likelihood of unintended design changes or manufacturing errors is significantly reduced. Engineering changes happen in every manufacturing environment. Components become obsolete, suppliers change, software gets updated, and product improvements are introduced over time. The key is making sure those changes are properly controlled. Revision control should apply to drawings, schematics, software, manuals, and production documentation. Every change should be documented, approved, and traceable, so there's never any uncertainty about which version of a design is currently being manufactured. Strong revision control helps maintain product conformity long after the original certification is complete. Not every change can simply be implemented on the production floor. Certain modifications, especially those involving critical components, safety systems, software, or product construction, may affect your certification. That's why manufacturers need a formal process for evaluating engineering changes before they're introduced into production. Taking the time to review changes before implementation can prevent costly delays and avoid compliance issues during future inspections. Inspectors also look closely at how products are actually built. They want to see that manufacturing follows documented procedures and that production personnel use approved materials, proper tooling, and consistent assembly methods. This includes incoming material verification, proper wire terminations, correct torque procedures, approved components, and documented manufacturing controls. These practices help ensure every product is assembled the same way every time. Quality doesn't stop after assembly. Every finished product should go through documented testing before it leaves the facility. Depending on the product, this may include electrical testing, safety interlocked verification, functionality testing, and operational checks. Just as important as performing the test is maintaining accurate records. Test results, equipment calibration records, approvals, and serial number traceability all demonstrate that your manufacturing process consistently produces compliant procedures. Preparation is often what separates a smooth inspection from a stressful one. Before inspectors arrive, manufacturers should ensure documentation is organized, testing procedures are readily available, and key personnel understand their responsibilities during the audit. Conducting internal self-audits is also one of the best ways to identify issues before an inspector does. Finding and correcting small problems internally is much easier than addressing corrective actions after an official inspection. Preparing for an initial factory inspection can feel overwhelming, especially if it's your organization's first experience with the NRTL process. At High Tech Design Safety, we work directly with manufacturers to help establish the documentation, quality systems, engineering controls, and manufacturing processes needed for successful inspections. Our goal isn't simply helping you prepare for one audit. We help build compliance systems that support your products throughout their entire life cycle while reducing delays, minimizing corrective actions, and improving long-term efficiency. An NRTL initial factory inspection is much more than a compliance checkpoint. It's an opportunity to strengthen your quality system, improve manufacturing consistency, and demonstrate your commitment to producing safe, compliant equipment. Organizations that invest in preparation today are often better positioned for successful inspections tomorrow. If your company is preparing for an NRTL initial factory inspection or has questions about maintaining product compliance, the team at High Tech Design Safety is here to help. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more information on your NRTL inspection needs, and we'll see you in the next video.